Hey everyone, it's Deborah and it is Friday. I'm going to make this real quick because I have no room on my phone, so we shall see. So I picked up this little tin from Dollar Tree. Yeah, Dollar Tree, I'm not sure. Yep, Dollar Tree. And so I'm just going to keep things that I'm currently making to show you guys. So I did work with the kscraft November 2025 Charms packing card and the 2025 bookmark. And so I made a few things. Here's a bookmark that I made. Go ahead and get that out of the way. And it's just all gingerbread from my gingerbread forest paper from Michael's, one of my favorites this year. And here's another one that I made, and I sandwiched it between, there's 3 layers, so I have the 110-pound paper in the middle, and then the 2 papers on the outside. And then here was the one that I made, one of the first ones I made, and it was, different, so... And I showed you that on Wednesdays. And then I made this one 2-sided with the little deer on one side and Santa on the other side. Okay, and remember the earrings that I purchased from Amazon? Well, I went ahead and packaged them, the rest of them. And this is what I did. And that's using that Charms packing card for the earrings. And these are cute. I'm going to fix them because they're all messed up. But anyway, and then here's the little Christmas tree studs. And then the snowmen, so cute. Of course, you change up the paper to match whatever you want. And then here's the red tassels. And look at the snowflakes, these green snowflakes. I love them. Love them, love them. And then the Santa Claus earrings. And guys, that is it. That's all I have to show you that I was able to make since Wednesday. So this is a very short video today, and which is good because I don't have room on my phone. I'm trying to figure out how to fix that. But anyway, that's it. Short and sweet today. You guys have a great day and have a great weekend. Bye.